The SAS is the world's finest fighting force, and every one of them comes from Essex.
London.
Essex.
London.
Essex.
London.
Essex.
London.
Essex.
London.
Essex.
This is the BBC. Please pay attention and listen carefully. Emergency information will soon be broadcast. Ensure your device is audible. Just 10 minutes ago it was confirmed by NASA that a crack has been forming in the moon. We do not know why this crack has emerged. Stay tuned to this channel for further updates. It has also been noticed that loud rumbling and growling can be heard near the crack. Do not attempt to contact anyone during this time, as this can interfere with emergency communications that are being sent to national agencies across the world. If a family member or loved one is outside, do not intend to pick them up. It remains unknown whether this crack poses a threat to life. However, your advice remains the same. Stay indoors and do not go outside until further notice. You will be informed if any new updates occur via this channel. Stay tuned to the BBC for further updates. Warning, warning, warning. Do not go outside. Do not look at the sky. I repeat, do not go outside. Do not look at the sky. The sky has turned red. I repeat, the sky has turned red. People who have been exposed to the red sky have reporting the following symptoms: nausea, pale skin, bloodshot eyes, a tint of red on the skin, hallucinations, dizziness, confusion, aggressiveness. If you or anyone you know has seen the sky, isolate them or yourself immediately. A red glow has been seen near the crack on the moon, and the crack has gotten larger. NASA has also reported a shadow near the crack that appeared for 5 seconds and disappeared. We have some new information to share. An unknown creature was detected by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration on the moon, crawling out of the crack and then running at a fast, unnatural rate at the impossible speed of up to 89 miles per hour. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has detected that the anomaly now named KH-4 is heading to planet Earth, but it is unknown whether it has malicious intents or not. We have sent emergency signals to the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the United Nations to get answers on what is happening at this time. So far, there has been no reply from the National Aeronautics and Space Administration nor the United Nations. Once again, please stand by and await further information.
Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.
Unfortunately, this entity has been confirmed to have hostile intentions and has arrived on planet Earth and is destroying buildings and killing people. It is most likely that the world will end as we know it and we all die a dignified death. Do whatever makes you feel comfortable in these final moments within legal or moral reason. May God save us all. Goodbye from all of us here at the BBC. We hope your death is as dignified as possible. It has been a wonderful 81 years serving this nation. However, your good things must come to an end.